You know, there's something about the secret garden. The smell of garlic's gone because all the garlic has died back, but it's so beautiful. The walk in here was really warm, but now I'm in the trees. It's just beautiful. It's cooler. It's peaceful. I saw a deer on the way in. Just such a great place to be. So I'm back with the G11P and the Joker on the trenches with the Leadfoot Customs inserts inside. I've also got a couple of the graphines with that B6 Neo version 2 portable field charger as well. And this is a continuation of the video where it all went tits up. I've bought spare rod ends, so I think we're going to go up to where we were struggling and start there, and then I'm going to do a few more of the really tough obstacles up here and some of the easier ones that I just enjoy driving to see how we get on. And then I'll give you my final verdict on the trenches and Leadfoot Custom combo. I think maybe for an all-round woodland stroke rock and tree climbing tyre, these might be right at the top of the list, but we better go and drive them first just to make sure that is how I feel. Okay, so we're not going to get that one. Right, let's go change the rod end. Well, I think that is the end of the video this time for definite. It's just because I'm using slightly shorter. So this is for my UTB-18 stuff, and they were working great in theory, but I've been using a 20mm set screw, and I think it needs like a 25, because what's happening is it's not screwing up enough into this. You can see that it's only screwed into that first bit, and that's why it's breaking. It's not because the rod ends I'm using aren't very good, it's just because they haven't been screwed in enough. And I don't know whether you can see it there, but this shock has spewed all its life fluids out. I don't know when I'm going to get a chance to get out next. Really needed this today. Send me some words of encouragement or something. I literally thought there's no way this can happen again, but I didn't change both of the set screws. I only changed the one that was broken, and here we are. Links to everything in the description, including set screws that are long enough. I'm Dwight for the RC family. Bye for now. And I'm getting fucking eaten alive. Oh,